In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Theories of Management. Theory X by M.ed, Georgia, 1960. Management assumes that employees are inherently lazy. Close supervision and comprehensive control. Threat for compliance. Punitive atmosphere. Highly restrictive environment. Theory Y by M.ed, Georgia, 1960. Opposite to X theory. Management assumes that employees are willing to work. Employees are self-motivated. Employees enjoy duties. Theory Z by M.C. Diarocci and Redon. It focuses on increasing employee loyalty to the company by providing a job for life with a strong focus on the well-being of the employee, its promotion, morale and satisfaction. Reinforcement theory. Behaviorism by Skinner and Pavlov. Leader can change the behavior by reinforcement, positive or negative, motivation or punishment can give results. Administrative theory by Henry Fayol. It was presented by Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol was French industrialist. This theory focuses on the manager rather than workers. It is manager-oriented theory. Henry Fayol, also called father of modern management theory and modern operational management theory. Scientific management theory by Frederick Taylor. This theory was based on the scientifically organized work of organization. It includes proper planning, measurement, pay according to work, etc. Frederick Taylor is called father of scientific management theory. Scientific management theory is also called classical management theory. Bureaucratic theory of management by Max Weber focuses on structure of organization, rigidity of official behavior, resistance to innovation or change, rigidity of rules and principles. Decision is taken by hierarchy of officers, red tape, delay in work. Chaos theory. Chaos theory means a state of disorder. This theory is used in the field of mathematics. It studies the behavior of dynamic system consistently changing system. It makes the predictability of future of a system. Every system undergoes a change dynamic and thus its future becomes unpredictable. This theory determines the unpredictability of a system. System theory. System theory states that an organization also works like a system. A system is a collection of different parts. A system mainly comprises of inputs, processes, outputs, and feedback. If one part stops working, other parts are or institution are working. Different parts like inputs, aviates, furniture, classroom, teacher, principals interact with each other, process, and then they provide output students academic achievement, and then we get feedback from the parents and community about how much school is performing well. Operational theory, quantitative approach, mathematical approach, management science theory. Management works like a system of mathematical models and processes. Managing is a logical and rational process. It can be expressed in terms of mathematical relationship and models. Its basic assumption is that an organization is a system with its part in interact ional and interdependent relationships, and these interactions and interdependencies can be expressed in terms of model and equations. It focuses on the quantitative form measurement of data. Human relations management theory. The human relations theory of management being development in the early 1920s during the Industrial Revolution. At that time, productivity was the focus of business. Professor Elton Mayo began his experiment, the Hawthorne studies, to prove the importance of people for productivity, not machines. This theory supports the idea that human relations are important. Humans are important than machines. Humans facilitate and make the team. Humans should be motivated, encouraged to enhance productivity. Dear students, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.